Ninth class mathematics, chapter 4, lines and angles. Exercise 4, exercise 4.4, question number 16. Exercise 4.4, question number 16. In the adjacent figure, it is given that AB is equal to SE, angle BAC is equal to 36 degrees, angle ADB is equal to 45 degrees, and angle AEC is equal to 30 degrees. Find angle ABC, angle ACB, angle DAB, angle EAC. In the adjacent figure, angle AB is in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Angle BAC is equal to angle BAC, 36 degrees. Angle ADB, angle ADB is equal to 45 degrees. Angle AEC, angle AEC is equal to 40 degrees. Angle Find angle ABC, angle ABC, angle ACB, angle DAB, angle DAB, angle EAC, angle EAC. Okay, solution. Given that angle given that in triangle ABC, adjacent figure triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to 36 degrees, angle ADB. Angle ADB is equal to 45 degrees, angle AEC is equal to 40 degrees. Triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Opposite triangle opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Angle ABC and angle ACB x degrees. ABC x degrees and ACB x degrees. Sum of the angles of triangle equal to 1 degrees. In triangle ABC, angle angle ABC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB, angle ACB plus angle BAC, angle BAC equal to 180 degrees. Okay, angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property triangle. Angle ABC, take x degrees plus angle ACB, angle ABC x, angle ACB equal angles. Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal in triangle. ABC x degrees, ACB x degrees plus angle BAC 36 degrees is equal to 180. X plus x, 2x plus 36 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 180 minus 36. Therefore, 2x is equal to 180 minus 36. 2x is equal to 144. X is equal to 144 by 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. Therefore, x is equal to 72 degrees. Angle ABC, x is equal to 70 degrees, and angle ACB, x is equal to 72 degrees. Therefore, angle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 72 degrees. Angle ACB is equal to 72 degrees. Angle ABC and angle ABD, the straight angle, equal to 180 degrees. Angle ABC plus angle ABD is equal to 180. Angle ABC 72 plus angle ABD is equal to 180. Therefore, angle ABD is equal to 180 minus 72. 180 minus 72 is equal to 108 degrees. 108 degrees. Therefore, angle ABD is equal to 108 degrees. Therefore, angle ABD 108 degrees. In triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, angle ADB plus angle ABD plus angle DAB is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, angle sum property of triangle. Angle ADB equal to 45 degrees plus angle ABD 108 plus angle DAB is equal to 180 degrees. 45 plus 108, 153 plus angle DAB is equal to 180. Therefore, angle DAB is equal to 180 minus 153 is equal to 27 degrees. Is equal to 27. Angle DAB is equal to angle DAB is equal to 27 degrees. Okay. Angle ACB equal to 180 degrees. Angle ACB plus angle ACE is equal to 180 degrees. Angle ACB 72 degrees plus angle ACE is equal to 180. Angle ACE is equal to 180 minus 72 is equal to 108 degrees. Angle ACE is equal to 108 degrees. In triangle ACE, in triangle ACE, angle ACE plus angle ACE plus angle ACE plus angle AEC plus angle EAC. Angle EAC is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle ACE is equal to 108 plus angle AEC 40 degrees. Angle AEC 40 degrees plus angle EAC is equal to 180. 108 plus 40, 148 plus angle EAC is equal to 180. Angle EAC is equal to 180 minus 148 is equal to 32 degrees. Therefore, angle EAC is equal to 32 degrees.